Hi, everybody! Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel for learning and fun, the one and only Nature Kids. Today, we'll be completing the fourth lesson for Health and Physical Education for Grade 9 English Medium. The topic for today's lesson is Let us identify organized games and outdoor activities. So, without further ado, let's get started with the lesson. To be a healthy student, it is essential to join sports along with having a balanced diet. Excelling in sports can lead to representing your school or even your country. Sports help improve physical, mental, and social well-being, while also building personality and fitness. In earlier grades, you learned about organized games, lead-up games, minor games, and athletics, and gain happiness and experience from them. After this lesson, you'll be able to classify organized games and outdoor activities and understand how they enhance physical and psychosocial development. In ancient times, people lived closely with nature. Their daily tasks like hunting involved running, jumping, and hitting with stones or sticks. Basic movements that later became sports. As civilization developed, people gained more leisure time and used sports to fill it. Over time, these sports evolved into different games with rules and regulations. Now, what are organized games? Organized games are sport events held according to set of rules and regulations. There are accepted rules and regulations. Playgrounds with standard measurements are used. Standard equipment are used. Number of players are specified. Classification of organized games. Earth's geography and natural environment vary widely, leading to many different sports. Social and cultural environments have also inspired a wide range of sports. Organized games can be classified in different ways, and one sport may fit into several categories. For example, you can classify sports for the type of place it is actually taken place. Like you can do swimming in summery, like places where like the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn, but you can do ice skating in those type of places because there is no ice. Here are some examples for water sports. First we have swimming, next we have water ballet, windsurfing, diving, boat races, water polo, water surfing, there's much more. Anyway, well, we can have different sports. There's more sports like this, not only water sport, because next we have sports played on ice. These sports are usually played where there's ice and snow, usually when the temperatures get really cold in the year. Like in our country, we can't do this type of stuff because, well, in the whole year, we don't really get snow or ice. So technically, these games are actually impossible in our country. But anywho, some countries actually do it. And some ice games, and there's also winter sports. Sports played on snow, as it says, winter sports, snow, obvious. Anywho, for ice we have ice hockey and ice skating. For snow we have dancing on snow, snow skating, ski jumping, tobogganing, stuff like that. Now we have air sports. Well, this is actually a scary type of sport, but some people do it, and these are some of those sports: aerobatics, parajumps, and skydiving. For sports played on land, we have bat and ball games, cricket, LA, hockey, and tennis. For ball games, we have netball, volleyball, football, and basketball. For athletics, track and field events, road races, race walking, and cross country running. For indoor games, basketball, table tennis, carom, chess, draughts, and squash. Sports played without using equipment, kabaddi and koho-koho. Self-defense game, karate, judo, boxing, wrestling, and wushu. Let's see what outdoor education is. Outdoor education is learning about the environment by using it and adapting your lifestyle. Its goal is to build observation, exploration, perseverance, innovation, and team spirit while encouraging a love and protection of nature. You can gain a lot of experience by engaging in outdoor activities. Some of them are understanding of how the elements in nature are strongly interconnected, appreciating the beauty and the charm of the natural environment, motivating to protect the environment, identifying the negative impacts on ecological balance and proposing remedies to overcome them, identifying strategies to live in the woods, learning to utilize natural objects to suit the environment, learning to take leadership. Outdoor educational activities. These are some activities that can help us when we're lost in the woods or something and get some education about the environment too. First, we have living with nature and the forest. Some positive sides are developing the concepts related to nature, identifying animals, forecasting weather, knowledge about stars, showing directions, climbing up trees, and leaving marks along the trail. For outdoor cooking, we have selecting recipes that can be cooked outdoor, making of fireplaces, and cooking food without using utensils. For camping techniques, selecting locations suitable for camping, pitching and removing camps, knots and slashings, and fire sports. Exploration and recreation of activities. Exploring of the jungles, exploring of forests, cycling tours, swimming, rowing, finding the direction using a compass, and map reading. Now let's see some benefits of engaging in outdoor activities. For physical, we have development of physical fitness, not getting tired too soon during activities, getting used to adopt correct postures, having less possibility of facing accidents and injuries during day-to-day activities, strengthening of bones and muscles, improving nerve-muscle coordination, improving the efficiency of nervous system, respiratory system, and circulatory system, etc. Psychosocial. Ability to live motivated life, learning to spend the leisure efficiently, development of team skills such as friendliness, cooperation, and helping each other, development of leadership skills, developing skills related to respecting social values, following rules and ethics, and maintaining discipline, gaining ability to maintain stress and manage it, I guess. So that's all for today, guys. Make sure to put a like and a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and maybe even share this video because that makes me happy. Anywho, I hope this video was actually interesting and not actually boring. And I hope you guys learned something. So anywho, it's time for me to leave. So it's your favorite YouTube channel, Nature Kids, leaving again, but I'll be back soon. Until then, bye.